Fueling your day the right way. A comprehensive guide to healthy breakfast ideas. Breakfast, often hailed as the most important meal of the day, plays a pivotal role in setting the stage for our physical and cognitive performance. After a night of fasting, our bodies and brains are craving nourishment to kickstart metabolism, replenish energy stores, and enhance focus. Point 1. Skipping breakfast can lead to sluggishness, poor concentration, and a tendency to overeat later in the day. Point 2. Embracing a healthy breakfast routine, however, can unlock a wealth of benefits, contributing to sustained energy, improved mood, better weight management, and enhanced overall well-being. Point 3. But what constitutes a healthy breakfast? It's more than just grabbing a sugary cereal or a plain bagel. A nutritious morning meal should be a balanced combination of complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, protein for satiety and muscle repair, healthy fats for brain function and nutrient absorption, and fiber for digestive health. This article explores a diverse array of delicious and wholesome breakfast ideas to help you fuel your day the right way, catering to various tastes, dietary needs, and time constraints. The building blocks of a healthy breakfast. Before diving into specific ideas, let's understand the key components that make a breakfast truly nourishing. Complex carbohydrates. These provide a slow and steady release of energy, preventing energy crashes later in the morning. Point 4. Examples include whole grain toast, oatmeal, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and whole wheat pancakes. Protein. Keeps you feeling full and satisfied, aids in muscle repair, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Point 5. Excellent sources include eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, tofu, nuts, seeds, and nut butters. Healthy fats. Essential for brain function, hormone production, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Point 6. Good choices include avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish, like smoked salmon. Point 7. Fiber. Promotes digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar, and contributes to feelings of fullness. Point 8. Found in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Point 9. Vitamins and minerals. Found abundantly in fruits and vegetables. These micronutrients are vital for various bodily functions, including energy production and immune support. Point 10. Delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas. Here's a wide range of healthy breakfast options to inspire your mornings. 1. Oatmeal powerhouses. Oatmeal is a breakfast classic for a reason. Point 11. It's packed with fiber and can be customized in countless ways. Classic oatmeal with berries and nuts. Cook rolled oats with water or milk, dairy or non-dairy, and top with a handful of fresh or frozen berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, a sprinkle of nuts, almonds, walnuts, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, optional. Overnight oats. Combine rolled oats, milk, dairy or non-dairy, chia seeds, your favorite fruits, sliced banana, diced apple, and a touch of sweetener, optional, in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight for a grab-and-go breakfast. Savory oatmeal. Explore a less conventional but equally nutritious option by cooking oatmeal with broth or water and topping it with a fried or poached egg, sautéed vegetables, spinach, mushrooms, and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. 2. Excellent starts. Eggs are a versatile and protein-rich breakfast staple. 12. Scrambled eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado. A simple yet satisfying breakfast providing protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. 13. Add some chopped vegetables like bell peppers or onions for extra nutrients. Omelets with veggies and cheese, optional. Load up your omelet with colorful vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, and onions for added vitamins and fiber. A small amount of cheese can add flavor and calcium. 14. Hard-boiled eggs. A convenient and portable protein source perfect for busy mornings. 15. Pair them with a piece of fruit or whole grain crackers. Breakfast burrito with whole wheat tortilla. Scramble eggs with black beans, salsa, avocado, and a sprinkle of cheese. Optional, in a whole wheat tortilla for a hearty and flavorful breakfast. 3. Yogurt delights. Greek yogurt is a protein-packed base for a healthy breakfast. 16. Greek yogurt with granola and fruit. Layer Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of whole grain granola and your favorite fresh fruits. 17. Choose granola with minimal added sugar. Yogurt parfait with layers of goodness. Create a parfait with layers of Greek yogurt, berries, chia seeds, nuts, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Smoothie bowls. Blend Greek yogurt with frozen fruits, spinach, you won't taste it, and a liquid base, milk or water. Top with granola, seeds, nuts, and fresh fruit slices. 4. Toast transformations. Elevate your toast beyond simple butter. Avocado toast with egg. Mash avocado on whole wheat toast and top with a fried, poached, or sliced hard-boiled egg for a boost of healthy fats and protein. 18. Add a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a touch of spice. Nut butter toast with banana and chia seeds. Spread natural nut butter, almond, peanut, cashew, on whole wheat toast and top with sliced banana and a sprinkle of chia seeds for added fiber and omega-3s. Cottage cheese toast with tomato and herbs. Spread cottage cheese on whole wheat toast and top with sliced tomatoes, fresh herbs, basil, oregano, and a drizzle of olive oil. 5. Smoothie sensations. Smoothies are a quick and easy way to pack in nutrients. Green smoothie. Blend spinach, banana, almond milk, chia seeds, and a scoop of protein powder, optional. Berry smoothie. Combine mixed berries, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and a touch of honey or maple syrup. Tropical smoothie. Blend mango, pineapple, banana, coconut milk, and a squeeze of lime. Customized smoothies. Get creative with ingredients like oats, nut butters, seeds, and various fruits and vegetables to tailor your smoothie to your taste and nutritional needs. 6. Hearty and wholesome options. For those who prefer a more substantial breakfast. Whole wheat pancakes or waffles with fruit and a side of protein. Make pancakes or waffles using whole wheat flour and top with fresh fruit and a side of eggs or Greek yogurt for added protein. 19. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Cook quinoa and top it with sautéed vegetables, a fried egg, avocado, and a sprinkle of seeds. Sweet potato hash with eggs and greens. Dice and sauté sweet potatoes with onions, peppers, and spinach. Top with a fried or poached egg. Tips for building a healthy breakfast habit. Plan ahead. Prepare ingredients or assemble components the night before to save time in the morning. Keep it simple. Don't feel pressured to create elaborate meals every day. Even a piece of whole grain toast with nut butter and a banana is a healthy start. Listen to your body. Adjust your breakfast based on your hunger levels and activity for the day. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new recipes and combinations to find what you enjoy and what works best for you. Make it a priority. Recognize the importance of breakfast and make time for it, even if it's just a quick and nutritious option. Skipping the myths. Myth. You have to eat breakfast immediately upon waking. While eating within a couple of hours of waking is generally recommended, Listen to your body's hunger cues. Myth: breakfast needs to be breakfast food. Leftovers from a healthy dinner can be a perfectly nutritious and convenient breakfast option. Conclusion: nourishing your body with a healthy breakfast is a powerful investment in your overall well-being. By incorporating a balanced mix of complex carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, and fiber into your morning meal, you can fuel your brain, sustain your energy levels, and set yourself up for a successful and vibrant day. Embrace the variety of delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas available and find what works best for your lifestyle and taste preferences. Make breakfast a non-negotiable part of your routine, and reap the countless benefits of starting your day the healthy way.